Ecological Niche Modelling with OpenBio. EUBrazilOpenBio is a project that provides biologists with different open access resources to access and process data from biodiversity research. This model aims at explaining you how to perform ecological niche modeling using the EUBrazilOpenBio platform. We recommend that you follow the same actions by yourself using the services available on the platform, pausing the video, rewinding the video if necessary. After completing this video, you will be able to go and follow the exercises that we propose you in the training channel, or do your own exercises by yourself. Before continuing, it's important that you have already visited the training items that describe the introductory features of OpenBio, that are titled General Introduction to OpenBio, Introduction to Biodiversity Experts, and the video use case 2, Ecological Niche Modeling to Early Demonstration. As we said, it is highly advisable that the trainee has already access granted to the infrastructure. We remind you that the infrastructure is accessible from the EUBrazilOpenBio website, accessing the sections OpenBio Infrastructure and then OpenBio Gateway. In order to access the platform, you have to proceed as described in the introduction material, and which also is described and summarized in this module. This training material is available in the address shown in this video. So first, a brief description of what is the problem of ecological niche modeling. Defining ecological niche as a set of ecological requirements for a species to survive and maintain viable population over the time, taking the definition of Grinnell of 1917. So basically, taking the information from occurrence points that are available in the databases and taking the environmental variables that are computed by different databases about climate and other topographic information, we compute a modeling algorithm that is able to reproduce and estimate the distribution of the databases and the different conditions. The problem that we are facing in this use case is to work with the OpenModeler tool to get information from the Flora do Brasil taxonomical list and the species link database, as well as other occurrence point databases like GBIF, in order to compute the models that will enable you to create new projections for different environmental conditions. So let's start with the exercise. The process that you will follow is, first you have to download the occurrence points. We will not show this part in the video, so you will have to do the same as you have already done in the taxonomical analysis to retrieve the information from the occurrence point for the species that we will work on. Second point, we will create a model, select the parameters, select the environmental layers and algorithms, and make the platform computing the model using different algorithms and approaches. The model will be tested, and you will be able to see the results of the testing. Once we have the model, we can make a projection and inspect the results using the geographical visualization tools available in the platform. The infrastructure is available in the address shown in this video. Basically, you can go through the EUBrazilOpenBio website and go to the section OpenBio Infrastructure. I remind you that the registration is needed. Once you make the registration, you will be directed to a portal in which you can first join the EUBrazilOpenBio VO if you already haven't done so. A VO is basically a group of users that have access granted to the platform, and then sign up to access the virtual research environment Species Lab. Then you will have the access to the different services, as we have already explained in the first use case. For the workspace, you will be able to store all the data that is required for the different services, and you can access the generic data for taxonomy and occurrence points from the Species Data Discovery service. We will focus now on the Ecological Niche Modelling service, that once that you click on it, you will be able to see this editor-like interface that will enable you to create new experiments or to edit existing experiments that you previously saved. This completes this induction video for how to make ecological niche modeling using EUBrazilOpenBio platform. As a conclusion, you should have been able to execute your own problems using the infrastructure as in the same way as you may do it on the Open Modeler desktop interface. So now you are ready to go to the exercises that we put on the web channel and reproduce the same procedure for the 3 exercises that we put. Then you can use your own data and propose your own problems and try to challenge the system, checking different conditions and wider loads of processing. If you have any doubt, please put in contact with the support channel that is available from the VRE interface.